Hello students, welcome to our today's class. In the today's class we are going to discuss about relation between molality and molarity. That means proof. So just imagine I have taken one solution in this flask or beaker. So this solution molarity formula. Generally molarity formula is equal to N by V. N by V. What is N? Number of moles of solute. V is equal to what? Volume of solution. Okay, in liters. So therefore, now what we are doing here is, we are taking volume of this solution 1 liter I am taking. Whenever you take volume in 1 liter, therefore molarity is equal to number of moles of solute. Okay, because here volume we are taking 1 liter, no? So here like that we got. Now number of moles of solute is equal to what? Weight of solute divided by gram molecular weight of solute, or you can also write gram molecular mass of solute, no problem. Okay, so now here we need to remember two relations. Molarity is equal to number of moles of solute. Okay, this is one relation we will use at the end of this video. And next one is, here you can take weight of solute is equal to molarity into, or mass of solute is equal to molarity into gram molecular weight of solute, no problem. This second relation also we will use at the end of this video. So okay, is it clear? Any doubt in this part? No doubt. Okay, done. Now coming to the next one, molality. I am taking molality. So whenever you take molality, so for this solution, all relations we are deriving for this solution. Okay, molality is equal to N by W. N by W means what? Number of moles of solute present in weight of solvent in kgs. Okay, or nothing but W is equal to weight of solvent in kgs. You have to take like that. Now here see number of moles of solute into 1000 by weight of solvent in grams. If you take grams upside, we need to take 1000. You know very well. Okay, so this is related to what? Molality. So molality we are taking for this solution. Is it clear? Right? Now this relation we are going to use. In this relation we need to find out weight of solvent in grams. Is it clear? We need to find out weight of solvent in grams. To find out that, I am taking density of the above solution. Density is equal to what? Mass by volume. What is mass of what? Mass of solution divided by volume of solution. Is it clear? So mass of solution divided by volume of solution. Okay. Now mass of solution is equal to, we can write density into mass of solution is equal to density into volume of solution. So volume I am taking in what? Generally 1 liter, above 1 liter we have taken. So 1 liter means we can convert into mLs, no? So therefore here you see density units grams per ml. Okay, here volume 1000 ml. Okay, so 1000 ml. ml get cancelled. ml get cancelled. So mass of solution is equal to D into 1000. Okay. Now you know very well, mass of solution is the combination of what? Mass of solute and mass of solvent. You know that is the combination of the two. So therefore here we need to do is, here we need to do is what? Simply here we need to calculate mass of or weight of solvent. Okay. So mass of or weight of solvent is equal to mass of solution minus mass of solute. Mass of solution minus mass of solute. You know mass of solution. What is that? D into 1000. Okay, mass of solution is equal to, here see, D into 1000. Okay, so substitute that point here. Okay, now and one more thing is, mass of solute we have to calculate. Mass of solution is D into 1000. Mass of solute is equal to, here we can take what? Molarity into gram molecular mass of solute. Molarity into gram molecular mass of solute. Okay, so this relation we have taken. So both are substituted here. Now this value we need to substitute in the what? We need to substitute in the equation A. Just you take it as like A and you substitute in the equation A. So now molality is equal to what? Number of moles of solute into 1000 by what? D into 1000 minus m into gram molecular weight of solute. Is it clear? Okay, but you people know very well solute, number of moles of solute is equal to molarity, capital M. So therefore final step we can write it like what? Molality is equal to small m is equal to capital M. Number of moles of solute is equal to capital M. Capital M into 1000 divided by D into 1000 minus capital M into gram molecular weight of solute. So this is our relation between the molality and molarity. Okay, thanks for watching. We will meet in the next class. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.